Settings, click on settings, add program name. For example, Diwali offer. Click on enable to enable this loyalty setting. Basic details, point to be given per rupees. From here you can select how many points you want to give per rupees. For example, 1 rupees equals to 10 point and 2 rupees equals to 20 point. For now we will select 2. Points to be given per rupees on birthday. You can select how many points you want to give on birthdays. Points to be given per rupees on anniversary. From here you can select points you want to give on special occasions like anniversary. Rupees to be discounted per point. From here you can set how much rupees discount you want to give per points. For example, you can add 1 point is equals to 10 rupees, like 2 point is equals to 20 rupees. For now we will add 2 points. Minimum points required to enable reward. You can add minimum points customer should have to enable loyalty plan. For example, 150. Maximum points can be redeemed. From here you can set number of points customer should have to redeem points. For example, 600. After 600 points only the customer can redeem this loyalty plan. Expiry days, you can add expiry days of your loyalty plan. For example, only for 60 days you want to run this loyalty plan. Click on ask for OTP on redemption if you want OTP before any customer redeems his point. And enable point on order total is mandatory. And click on save and the setting is saved.